Nothing wrong when your money right. I'm cashing out like every night. Diamonds looking extra bright.
Move 'em out the way like I was a damn terrorist. My whole way far from average. You just don't see me, you see a bunch of carrots. Damn kerosene, why you a savage? I don't know, nigga, I'm embarrassed. Throw a quick ass jab like Cassius. I told the reporter it was just practice. He said you had the nigga off balance. I said the shit wasn't a damn challenge. I ain't even shake his hands, where my manners. I ain't even got up and took the dances. Took her ass to my crib and pajamas. Oh, I'm a pimp ever since Pampers. I don't need to watch my own damn slander. I'm the captain and the commander, so why the hell would I transfer?
I'm good, homie, I'm alright. Nothing wrong when your money right. I'm cashing out like every night. Diamonds looking extra bright. Go.
Move 'em out the way like I was a damn bouncer. Baby, grab the money off the damn counter. Benjamin Franklin like being around you. Nigga can't slow me down, I don't know how to. Money talks, nigga, and she get louder. I am unique like Tariq on Power. She call it a quickie, I call it rush hour. She said kerosene, I'm in the shower. Oh, I got promotions just by posing. Nigga, you on fire, your ice is frozen. Shit had me taking the ibuprofen. Had her ass looked in the air like it was snowing. Niggas eyes low, but his roof open. Had her hitting high notes like Kelly Rowland. She said, you are so well spoken. Nigga, you're the only one that I'm voting.
I'm good, homie, I'm alright. Nothing wrong when your money right. I'm cashing out like every night. Diamonds looking extra bright.